Mariko. Today I will be speaking about the etiquette of eating correctly. We spend so much time, so much of our day eating that it is important we know just a few basic pieces of etiquette. I'm sure we all had our parents telling us when we were young, don't have your elbows on the table and don't chew with your mouth open. Well, there are a few more pieces of American table etiquette that is important for everyone to know. The first step is you always want to put your napkin on your lap. That's just a given, whether it's a cloth napkin or a paper napkin. Even if you're at a fast food restaurant, it's nice to have the napkin on your lap. The next is you don't ever want to scrape your plate. Sometimes when we're eating dishes that have some sauce like mashed potatoes and gravy, you want to get all of the gravy from the plate, but then you end up doing the scraping sound. So one thing to do is try to gently get all the sauces off of the plate, but don't scrape trying to get it off of there. One of the other tips of etiquette is the way we cut. When we are cutting, we want to have our food on the plate. We want to spear the item with our fork. And then we want to make the slices behind rather than in front. So now, when it actually comes to eating, there's a few different ways you can bring your food to your mouth. Normally when we cut, we have our fork in one hand and our knife in the other. So we spear our food and make the cut. In European dining, we usually would bring the food to our mouth with the hand that the fork was in. In American etiquette, it is very common for someone to spear the food with one hand and then switch to their dominant hand. This is Mariko showing you etiquette for eating correctly. Enjoy.